riders! Welcome back to another episode of Elyu Kano Motovlogs. Today we're in for a special one. We're heading to the mountains, to the cool and scenic town of Bagulin, La Union, POV style as always. I've got the whole crew with me. 9 people on 5 motorcycles. Buckle up and enjoy the ride. The weather was amazing, blue skies and mountain, clouds in view. We passed by the road leading to the San Juan bypass. We passed the cockpit arena too. Cars were parked all over. Must have been crowded that day. The first arch we passed was barangays, upland areas like this. Have welcome arches unlike the lowlands. Past the arch, it's all green trees and plants on both sides. Super. Fresh air and we're starting to ascend. Lots of curves up and down. Locals call this San Fernando's Mini-Marilaque. We even rode alongside a taxi. Yep, there are taxis now in San Fernando, though only about 10 to 15 units for now. That'll probably increase when SM La Union opens. Good thing this road has plenty of traffic signs. Even at night, you can clearly see them. We got stuck behind a taxi and couldn't overtake because of all the curves. It felt like we were escorting the driver up the mountain. Special treatment for you, boss. You've got a convoy. There's road work, but the signage is complete. They're also putting concrete on the mountainside to prevent landslides. The road is narrow with a mountain on one side and a cliff on the other. But there's a strong barrier, made of thick pipes and tires. Looks like a million peso project.
The video got cut off just as the steep uphill started. Too bad. It resumed in Barangay. Upper Pakpako, where I stopped because of a strange sound under the bike. The view was still gorgeous, green on the sides, blue skies and clouds. So relaxing to the eyes. One corner was dusty and loose, so I slowed down just to be safe. Radio heads up, the crew in front was informed that we had to make a stop just like that. They waited for us ahead, and we continued riding together. There was a waiting shed with a local vendor selling Halo Halo. That's awesome, perfect for cooling off during a hot ride. Support local, if only we had time to stop. We passed the arch of Barangay, road went downhill again. The mountain that was on our left earlier was now on the right. Wow, the view over there. And now look at this curve ahead. A hairpin sign combined with a steep descent. Slowly but surely. Right before the bridge, the view opened up. Amazing mountains, clouds, and blue skies. I'll definitely return to capture it with a wide lens. It's beautiful.